Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We are back. Today's leg day and it's very late and I was not going to the gym, but it is what it is. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna be lazy the whole day. You know, I've been actually chill tonight. Today finished work at 2 o'clock. Then after that it was like, you know, I went home, watched a movie, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna chill, watch a movie while I was eating. Then I started play some video games, like chill, literally. Played Dead by Daylight, played Warzone, played FIFA, and play a little bit of Fortnite, like probably 20 minutes of Fortnite or 25 minutes. It was like cool. So I was like, you know, I really chill, and I kind of rest as well. I rested as well. And tonight I think I'm gonna play with my friends. I was like, you know what? I know I'm gonna chill for the end of the night, so let me just go and hit some legs. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit some legs and basically hit legs and then come back. I'll be destroyed. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll be like dead. You know, I'll be dead. Like no energy, no shit. So I'm gonna have to drink like some protein and maybe like eat some granola or something so I don't like die or pass out. So I'm actually gonna drink some creatine from there now. No pre-workout, nope, no pre-workout, hell nah. But yes, I want to take some more creatine. I'm trying to take my 5 grams at home from mine and then take some from there. So maybe I'm stacking like probably 8 to 10 grams of creatine a day, which I'm paying for both of them. Not gonna lie to you, the one at the gym is not cheap. It's not like free, because I'm paying $50 a month for that gym. And the only reason why I'm paying that is because it's less people. It is way better. The people are aware of content and they don't really mind at all, and they have seen me already, so it's like comfortable for me to make content. Or not comfortable, that's not the word, that's not what I'm looking for, but like, you know what I'm saying, not bothering people while I'm working out. So, you know, annoying people. So yeah, I was actually watching some videos and some TikToks, and it was like I was watching some videos of motorcycles, and I was like, dang, should I buy one in like a year or two? But I really want an M3 competition, but at the same time I want something like fast. Kind of want like a bike. That guy's gonna crash. Oh my god, what the fuck? I thought the guy was gonna literally crash with that shit, and I was literally gonna record it with the GoPro. I don't know if that can, like, I don't know if the video can like the GoPro can see that really good. But that was so stupid. Like, there was no reason why he should, like, why would he do that? Like, why would you do that, man? Like, are you fucking insane? That's why I'm always like with my eyes open. You always gotta be careful. Like, there's people in here, like that guy is just fucked up. He's probably drunk. Like, that guy is fucked up, not gonna lie. Like, why would you even do that? Like, what the fuck? Because you don't want to hit the red light? Bro, just wait a minute. Or just did it better. Just don't turn like that, you know. SUV, people don't know how to drive, like, for real. Alright, you gonna let me go, bro? Appreciate that, bro. So August 2nd, we actually, I'm about to start some classes. I'm about to have more responsibilities on my life. My girl's coming back, so I gotta take care of her, and then I gotta do some classes. It's gonna be way more responsibilities and stuff to do, but it's gonna be chill. I'm gonna try to not kill myself with work and stuff. Trying to find another job and trying to graduate so I can actually move from the job that I have right now, because I really want to do something about finance, something about, you know, it make, of course, make more money. I want more money and have some benefits, you know, and then in a couple years maybe buy a house or have properties to rent. So we'll see about that. I'm not looking into keep getting the same money and being in the same place. You know, it gets annoying into the point where you don't scale anymore, and you're like, you know, you go to work and it's like, you know, I don't feel challenged, and the people around there and the environment is kind of like so down, and just people are just usually women. It's like so down. I feel down, you know, unless I'm talking to my boss, unless I'm talking to my other coworker that he's a man, you know, less like that. But then after that, it's kind of way uncomfortable. Why is that person with the warning lights like this, emergency lights, and he's going like 90, probably more than 90. No, I would say, yeah, he's going like 90, 85, 90. Not gonna lie, I don't know why. Probably it's an emergency. I mean, usually that's what it means if somebody's going that fast. So hopefully that person goes well. Pray for that person. Hopefully nothing's happening and everything's okay. I'm actually gonna reduce some speed. I didn't even know I was 60 miles an hour. So let me actually reduce a little bit of the speed. It's raining too, so gotta be careful over here. I actually gotta put some gas tomorrow. 65 miles left. Didn't even realize that. And it's because I'm going to the gym, and the gym's kind of far away now. It's not like in the past we used to go to the gym and it's like a mile away, you know. So it was like so like right there to me, you know. So now it's different. Now it takes me like 4 or 5 miles to actually get here, you know, which I don't mind at all. I like to drive. I'm not gonna lie to you. And then when I come back to like classes and my girl's back, you know, at the same time, shit, what the fuck? There's somebody there. I think that person crashed or what? Oh shit, bro. Bro, you can't do that, bro. Why would you even do that, bro? Is that person trying to like stop someone and steal that from someone? That don't happen to me, bro. But let me actually move out of there kind of fast. What the fuck was that, bro? What are you even doing in there? There's some crazy shit that I'm always seeing in this road, like for real. And it happens because, you know, every single day you drive and, you know, you see shit. You see like craziness every day. You always gotta be careful. Like, what the fuck, bro? In the middle, bro? Not in the middle, but what are you doing in there? Alright, we almost here. I really hope there's nobody here. I actually wanna like chill, talk a little bit in the video. I don't know about what, but you know, just talk shit. You know, try to survive this legs workout. So we'll see about that. I hope there's not like crazy amount of people here, or not just one or two. It's 10:30, so come on now. This can't be on a Saturday, you know. It's legs day. Fuck hell, 4 cars in here, bro? What the fuck? What are 4 cars in here? I know that car. That Toyota. Yeah, I know who's that. Who that is. I know that. I know that person. I know the other person. So all right, let's get this workout done then. See you guys in a minute. Going home now. It's 11:30. I thought I was gonna finish like really late. I didn't want to finish by 12, so I want to shower and be on my desk and then in bed. So, whew, that was a nice workout. That was a nice short workout that I thought was gonna be a long workout. Not gonna lie. So, you know, the point is to actually hit the gym, you know, and do it in a good way. So I did my workout for today. So tomorrow we are hitting chest. I'm actually very happy that I didn't skip the gym. Like, really happy, not gonna lie to you. I haven't been as consistent as I used to be. Alright, so today I'm actually using the other route. I have been the last couple of days I've been using that route that I would take left here, so I'm gonna just keep going right. I don't know why this person is going so slow. I'm actually really out of gas, almost, and I actually gotta go to the church tomorrow. So church and come back. So I hope that's actually, well, it is enough. I just don't want to hit it like on the red zone where it's like empty of gas. Cause I gotta go to the church, and then from church I go to Costco. But I'm not going inside of Costco. I'm just getting gas. I'm not going to the grocery store for a while. God dang, I've been spending so much money on the grocery store. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I don't want to buy anything else. I want to go to my trip vacation and not spend no more money. We'll see if that's possible. Well, it is possible because it's just 1 week. I do have beef and I do have steak in my fridge. So I'm pretty excited. I'm actually gonna see my girl after a long time. I haven't seen my girl in 3 months. I think, yeah, this week, coming up week, it's gonna be 3 months, and then after those 3 months, it's gonna be 2 more weeks and a half more to see her. So it's like crazy. It is a crazy amount of time, but at the same time, where you see it, it's like I got so much shit done. Not going to lie, and I think it was really good that I didn't have my girl for 3 months every single summer, because I get a lot of work done and I have a lot of stuff. Like my room when she left was empty, and when I say empty, I didn't have anything. I had a desk with 2 monitors, very organized, nothing. All right, when she left, I didn't have a studio, I didn't have anything, I didn't have privacy in my room, I didn't have anything. Like really, I didn't have even a curtain. I didn't have nothing. No night tables, no dresser, nothing. So I just had the desk. And then I decided, I said, well, let me start getting stuff. So I spent thousands of dollars, not gonna lie to you. But all that work, I did it by myself. And it was easier because my girl wasn't here. So I didn't have any distraction. And I still have work to do. But, you know, I still have to put something in the door for more noise reduction and for more smell reduction. And then maybe I put another blanket on top of the blankets that I have to reduce more and more and more. And yeah, I mean, it's great. Not gonna lie, it's great. The work I did in there is amazing. So, you know, I have way more privacy. On top of privacy, I do have smell reduction. I do have everything. So it's great. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, it's great. So, you know, I put the studio, I put the acoustic panels, I put 2 night tables, I put a new dresser, the new desk, 2 night tables, a lot of acoustic panels, you know, move the bed from the side, organize every single thing again, put a new monitor on top, got a PS5 controller. I'm gonna get a fridge probably for next week or the following week. like a lot of stuff that I got done. I did spend a lot of money though, not gonna lie to you. That's for sure. But I'm pretty much cool with it. So I think we're good. Like for sure. So now we just gotta work a lot, you know, but the other thing is I just have one job. And it's just, you know, it's paying me alright. You know, it's paying me alright, but no overtime anymore. So that's kind of tricky there. But it is what it is. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. So I got all that done. Move a lot of stuff out of the places that I had it, and yeah, I'm still having to put some more stuff in the door. I think I have 1 or 2 other stuff that I want to put, and I think it's gonna be more reduce the noise and the smell as well, because it's not like 100%, of course, which I would love to, but you know, still working on it. So we'll see about that. So I'm almost home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, this one and the workout. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna post these 2 videos, the workout first and then the POV driving. They are going to be done by tomorrow. They're gonna be uploaded and posted. So let's get to work. I'm actually gonna chill. I'm actually gonna sleep, go shower, and then get in the game with my friends. So I'll see you guys.